Hey everybody, so we're going to do a quick review over point slope form and then converting it to slope intercept form. You'll want to remember, first off, that for point slope form, you've got y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Now, you'll also want to recall that this one right here, y1 and x1, okay, that's just a point on the line. It's some point on the line. All right, then you've also got your slope, which of course we are going to be using m as we are always, we've done since quite some time now. So m is your slope. Remember, it's a change in y over the change in x, or if you're looking at a graph, it's easier to use your rise over your run. Some of you are also used to using the formula, which is y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. Oops, that's not going to happen. All right. So you also want to make a note, if you always forget, you're going to flip the signs of your x and y values. All right. So let's practice really quickly. Say they gave us the slope and a point. So for your slope, we've got m equals 3. And then the point, we've got -2, 4. All we're going to do is, if we've got our y-intercept form here, we're going to take our x value and drop it in here. We're going to take our y value, drop it in there. And your slope, drop it in. So all you have to do is rewrite it. So we're going to do y minus 4 equals 3 times x minus a -2, close your parentheses. So what I want you to remember is that you need to be using parentheses when you're substituting. This is not done right now because we're not going to leave it like this. You've got like double negatives happening. Let's fix it. So we've got y minus 4 equals 3 times x plus 2. And this would be your answer if you are asked in point slope form. Now what we're going to do is we're going to talk about converting this to slope intercept form. So if you did watch the other video about writing equations in slope intercept form, you'll be like, well, I like that way better, and that's totally fine. This way also works. You just have to distribute a little bit and make it happen. All right, so we are going to use that same one. We're going to use example 1. I'm going to say example 1b for this. All right, so we've got our equation of y minus 4 equals 3 times x plus 2. All right, well, your first step is going to be, you need to distribute. There we go. And I'm writing it kind of like a 2-column proof style so you guys see what's happening. So we've got y minus 4 equals 3x plus 6. All right. Next, you're going to use the, in this case, it'll be addition, but it can be adding or subtracting. Your y1 value. So we're going to add 4 to both sides so we can get y isolated, And now you've got y equals 3x plus 10. And that would be your answer if you are looking for it in slope-intercept form. Right? The same thing would apply if you're working with like a fraction, 1/2, 1/3, 1/4, it doesn't matter. So we can do one really quickly, and we've got example 2 here. Sorry guys, Amber Alerts. So then we've got our equation where we've got our slope is going to be 1/2. And we've got a point of 6, -6, -3. So first thing we got to do, drop it in a point slope. So we get y minus a -3 equals m, which is our 1/2, times x minus a -6. All right, so this is y plus 3 equals 1/2 times x plus 6. This right here is our point slope. But we're going to keep going and convert to slope-intercept form. All you're going to do is you're going to distribute that 1/2 first. So now you have y plus 3 equals 1/2 x plus 3. Then you've got y. What you're going to do is you're going to subtract a 3. And you get y equals 1/2 x plus 0. But we're not going to write the plus 0. That's like saying I have 100 plus $0. I have $100, guys. I sound like a fool when I say that. So this is what you would write when you would be in slope-intercept form then. All right, thanks for watching.